Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: blue color, red color, green color, brown color, black color, yellow color. Kids, now I coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and again use blue color. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for goat, G for glass. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for glass. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose, N for nest. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, again use brown color and draw M. M for moon. N. N for nose. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids night O. O for orange. And use black color. Black color. P. P for parrot. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. O. O for orange. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Kids night R. R for rose. R for rice. And use yellow color. Yellow color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. Kids again use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella. R. R for rose. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for snake. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Kids night V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use blue color. W. W for wolf. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Kids again use blue color and draw Z. Z for zebra. V. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wolf. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.